Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. This prevents wasted effort. Check Android Auto and phone OS versions, then use a high-quality USB cable and a different car USB port. Once done, enable developer options in Settings, activate USB debugging, and enable Android Auto logs so you can see errors. Make sure the phone's battery saver is off and background restrictions are disabled. These often kill the app. Now you have diagnostic access and a reliable connection to proceed with targeted fixes. Once prepared, clear Android Auto cache and storage, then restart both devices to remove transient bugs. If the problem persists, update the app. If it started after an update, roll back to the previous release. Next, boot the phone into safe mode to rule out third-party apps causing the back navigation issue. Reset app preferences, verify Bluetooth and USB profiles, and ensure Android Auto is the default handler for car connections. These steps address corrupt data and conflicting apps, the usual culprits. To finish, repair your phone and run through navigation flows while watching for the back behavior. Reproduce it deliberately so you can confirm fixes. If problems remain, factory reset the car's infotainment system after backing up presets and radios. This removes firmware-level corruption. Make sure you test with a second phone. If that phone works, the issue is phone-specific. If you still hit the bug, collect Android Auto logs and share them with the car vendor or app support. This one tip speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.